Guys, this is Jorel and we're just gonna check our new car. It's so big. I'm just going down. We're just gonna check it right here. Boom. That's our car. It's big. Wait, let me just get a farther view of it. And here's our Extreme Gym logo right there. Yeah. And here's at the back of our car. So this is just the clips of it. We can't get in, but here's our new car. And there it is. Oh yeah, here's the front. It got some big wheels. Look, such a big. Look, it's bigger. Let me show you my feet. Boom. It's big, right? Oh yeah. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time. And see ya guys. Bye.